You've probably heard a lot of talk about travel advisories to Florida for people of color, for undocumented immigrants, or for people from the LGBTQ community. And you might wonder, why is all of this happening at once? We've had LULAC issue travel advisories, the NAACP has been issuing travel advisories, and a group called Equality Florida. And it's for various actions that the governor and the legislature of Florida has taken. Starting with the NAACP advisory, there have been certain laws passed that have restricted college campuses providing DEI or critical race theory education on campuses. Also, the Woke Act was not passed, and that was an act that would have prohibited certain negative race conversations from occurring in Florida. For the immigrant community, there's a lot that's happened, but the primary thing is that the state of Florida is now authorized to invalidate out-of-state driver's licenses for undocumented immigrants. They're also requiring any hospital that receives Medicaid funding to ask a citizenship question on their intake paperwork, and this of course is meant to discourage undocumented people from seeking medical care. Finally, for the LGBTQ community, the state of Florida has banned certain books that have gay characters in school libraries. They've limited discussions on LGBTQ topics in schools, and there are recent laws allowing, concealed handguns that overall makes all of these populations feel very unsafe in the state of Florida. The good news is that people are responding. These travel advisories are working, and the state of Florida is losing a lot of money on tourism right now. If you're a member of one of these groups and you're considering a trip to Florida, now might be the time to follow these travel advisories and cancel your trip. If you're not a member of one of these communities and you're wanting to lend your support, cancel your trips to Florida. Don't go there right now. The state is already really suffering, and we can show that we don't agree with any of these decisions by not going there. And also, if you have a friend in one of these communities, talk to them about how they're feeling and what other support they might need from you. Finally, as always, talk to your lawmakers and your legislators and tell them how you feel, that we are not in agreement with these racist, these bigoted, these backward laws. It's just time to stop this.